Today we're taking a look at this gaming laptop, the ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 18 G834J. This is ROG's latest flagship gaming laptop that packs some serious muscle. Buckle up and get ready to see what this laptop is capable of. Let's start with the design. It is a big, bold laptop with a sleek, angular design and a brushed metal finish all around the laptop. RGB fans will be delighted with the SCAR 18 as the chassis have plenty of illumination that includes the front and rear light bars. Even the keyboard is per key RGB that you can customize the color scheme in the Armoury Crate software. The 18-inch QHD Plus Nebula HDR display dominates the front and offers a stunning visual with vibrant colors and deep blacks. Plus, the 240Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth gameplay, especially suitable for competitive game titles. The color accuracy on this panel is excellent with almost 100% of DCI-P3 and sRGB coverage. What really surprises me is the delta E number, which is extremely low. For a laptop of this size, expect to see plenty of ports and it does not disappoint. On the left, we have a barrel charging port, 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, HDMI 2.1 port, two USB-C ports whereby the left supports Thunderbolt 4 while the right supports USB 3.2 Gen 2. Besides the USB-C ports is a 3.5mm combo audio jack. On the right, you will find two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports. I would love to see if they actually included a SD card or micro SD card slot, but there you have it. At the back, they leave exclusively everything for the cooling, so there are no ports you can find at the back. Even though this is a laptop, but it is not exactly a lab-friendly laptop. It weighs in at about 3.1 kilograms, so it is definitely more of a desktop replacement. But hey, if you want high-performance laptop, right, this is what you will be getting. Also, one thing I want to remind you is it is best to get a large laptop bag to carry around together with its 330 watt power adapter. Let's move on to the focus of this review, the specs and performance. We have the latest Intel Core i9-14900HX processor paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 laptop GPU. That is a combo that can easily crush any game you throw at it. Backing that up is a whopping 64GB of DDR5 memory and up to 2TB of super-fast PCIe and NVMe SSD storage. Basically, this laptop is built for speed and can handle even the most demanding workloads. Cyberpunk 2077 at the highest settings with ray tracing overdrive plus DLSS frame generation easily averages at about 83 FPS without any hiccups. This is all thanks to the powerful RTX 4090 laptop chip with a max TGP of 175 watt. We even tested the laptop playing Cyberpunk 2077 on the 100-inch Hisense U7K 4K TV, and we could game on it with a comfortable 60 FPS at the same settings. This is truly a powerhouse desktop replacement that you can easily bring it around. I'll leave you with all the other benchmark results for your reference. Of course, we are not only talking about gamers when it comes to a laptop of this raw performance. Content creators and creative industry will also benefit from this laptop. Especially, I know plenty of wedding photographers would use a gaming laptop to export photos and videos. When it comes to battery life, I would say it is decent. The 90 watt-hour battery can last about 4 to 5 hours of light use, remember. Given that the NVIDIA Optimus technology would intelligently switch between the integrated graphics and the RTX 4090 depending on the workload. I would not recommend you to game on the battery for two reasons. Number one, the experience is not going to be pleasant, as the CPU and GPU would throttle to save battery. Number 2, even with all those power savings attempts, you would still drain the battery in about 1 hour or so. So you just have to carry the power adapter with you. So is the ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 18 G834J worth your money? Well, if you're a hardcore gamer or a creative professional who needs a desktop replacement with top-of-the-line performance, then absolutely. This laptop is a beast that can handle anything you throw at it. However, the hefty price tag and the size might deter some casual users. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your needs and budget. But if you're looking for the absolutely best in gaming laptops, the ROG Strix SCAR 18 G834J is a serious contender. So thanks for joining me for this review. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. Do let me know what do you guys think about this laptop, and I'll see you guys in the next video.